cell. We have already know about what is the meaning of cell, what is the meaning of electromotive force, what is the meaning of internal resistance. Okay, let's see this one by one. The first thing, what is cell? Yes, cell is a device which convert electrical energy into, sorry, it convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Cell is a device which convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay, what is the meaning of electromotive force? Yes, see, the meaning of electromotive force is work done to move a unit charge. See, the name is force, but the work is work done. The name is force, electromotive force, but what is the work EMF is doing? The work of EMF is to move the charge, and to move the charge, what will happen? We have to do work done. Next, what we have next, we have the concept of internal resistance. See, if there would be no internal resistance, whatever input we would have given from the battery, that entire would have converted into electromotive force. But as there is a internal resistance, what will happen? There will be a drop in the potential. There will be a drop in the potential. That will be what? That drop will be small IR. That drop will be IR. Okay. So when battery is up, when you connect the battery, there will be a drop. Why there will be a drop? There will be a drop because of this internal resistance. Okay. So how this formula comes? See, we have already discussed that V is equal to E minus IR. And we know the formula for voltage. What is the formula for voltage? IR is equal to E minus IR. So therefore, your IR plus IR will be equal to E. Therefore, I will be equal to E over R plus R. Okay, so like this, the formula for current, that is E upon R plus R, comes. See, in place, if there will be a many battery, if there would be a many batteries, what will be the formula? Formula would be E net over R net. Okay,